Here's a quick video on how to remove the door glass from a Dodge Durango or probably a Jeep Cherokee as well. Roll your window down about this far, and then as you can see in these holes, there's a little hole right through there. You can see a little tab right through that hole. If I can get it on video. Right there. You've got to push, and it's on both sides. You can see a little better. So all you gotta do is push those two tabs right there in with like a flathead screwdriver. Let's go ahead and push that there, Max. And kind of pick it up. Push. Ready? There's that one. Tip it at an angle. Let me see if I can zoom out. There you go. Pull it out, Max. Alright, let me zoom back in. These two little clips right here are all that holds the window in, and all you need to do is just slide your window back in and it'll just clip right in and take you, I don't know, 58 seconds actually.